Hello, this is a tutorial on 6.1, 6.1A1 and 6.2A. It's kind of a review one here. Let's take a look at some of these problems on there. Determine if the quantities in each pair of ratios are proportional. So we've got 5 pounds of grass seed for 350, so 5 pounds to 350 square feet. And you'll remember that we just take and we stack these. 8 pounds for 560. We've got a little box there, so we're just going to compare cross products. So let's do 5 times 350 here. 5 times 560. 5 times 560 equals 2800. And now we have to go this way. 8 times 350. 8 times 350 equals 2800. Cross products are the same, so that means that these ratios are equivalent. Another way you could do it is to reduce them down to the simplest form possible. For instance, we could take 5 and 350 and we could divide both sides by 5. This one would obviously be 1, and this one would be 70. So this goes down to a 1 to 70 ratio. And we could do the same thing over here with 8 to 560, and we could divide both sides by 8. This is going to be 1, and this is going to be 1 to 70. So if they simplify down, that's just a little bit more work. I just like stacking them and checking the cross products. So I'll let you do number 2. Let's take and solve each proportion here. Well, these are real nice. You can just take and you got your little box there. And then you can just, remember that when a box, we multiply diagonally and then we divide. So I'm just going to take 5 times 36. 5 times 36. That equals 180, and then I'm going to divide that by 6. So I want 5 times 36. 5 times 36, and then I'm going to divide by 6, equals 30. So 5 is to 30 as 6 is to 36. Yes, it's good. Very good. Let's take a look at this one here. So this time here, you can go up if you want, come down as long as you multiply diagonally. So 8 times 8 is 64. So 8 times 8 is 64. I'm going to take and divide that by 16. We get 4. And this one here, you can really see it. 4 out of 8 is like 8 out of 16. Now that's thinking about them as fractions. Let's think of them as ratios. 4 is to 8 as 8 is to 16. Yeah, sure, it works both ways too, doesn't it? All right, now kids freak out. What do I do with number 5? We can't have a number down to the bottom. It doesn't matter where your number is. We can find it either way. So let's multiply diagonally and then divide. So we'll do 38 times 7. 38 times 7, and then we will divide that guy by, 14? Looks like 19. So 7 is to 14 is 19 is to 38. Or 7 out of 19 is like 14 out of 38. Good to go. Let's just do one of the word problems here. We'll do the science one. Sounds like a good one if I was going to pick one. Notice how I made a box because it's probably going to be a proportional problem here. There are 113.2 grams and 4 ounces of a compound. So here's grams. And here's of this specific compound. So it's 113.2 grams in, these are OZs, and 4 ounces. How many grams are in 5 ounces? Okay, now the 5 goes here because you had to line up your ounces. So we're going to go here, multiply, and then divide. So 5 times 113.2, and we are going to divide that bad boy by 4. See if it makes sense. 141.5. Yeah, looks right, doesn't it? Good. Just for giggles. Let's take 141.5 and let's divide it by 5. 28.3. Let's just check this one to see if it's the same. Well, what we're doing here is we're finding a unit rate, 113.2. And let's just divide that by 4. It's a miracle, isn't it? The box is strong. All right, so you got some word problems here you can do and a couple other problems. This is a great review sheet for the end of the chapter. Thanks for listening.